Welcome to Modern Tiger Tales, where we uncover the most extreme and fascinating stories from the wild. Are you ready to witness the fiercest insect battles ever? Subscribe to Modern Tiger Tales and explore the wild side of nature like never before. Today, we re-shrinking down to enter a world you might step on without even noticing, a world of brutal combat, sophisticated strategy, and relentless warfare. Get ready to witness the epic clashes of ant gladiators in their natural arenas. Forget lions and tigers for a moment. In the undergrowth, battles are waged on a scale so small, yet so ferocious they rival anything you've seen. These aren't just random scuffles. This is organized conflict. In the insect kingdom, ants are the ultimate warriors, and their lives are a constant struggle for survival, dominance, and the future of their colonies. We're going to take you deep into their hidden world with incredible close-up footage that reveals every jaw-crushing detail. Look closely at this scene. Two rival colonies are about to collide. On one side, the aggressive fire ants, known for their painful stings and swarming tactics. On the other, the larger, more powerful carpenter ants, equipped with formidable mandibles that can slice through their enemies. This isn't a mere territorial dispute. It's a fight for resources, for the very ground they stand on. The air is thick with chemical signals, the ants' language of war, as they prepare for the inevitable clash. As the front lines meet, chaos erupts. It's a whirlwind of biting, stinging, and wrestling. Fire ants swarm their larger opponents, trying to overwhelm them with sheer numbers. But the carpenter ants are not easily defeated. Watch this one. A major worker as it clamps its powerful jaws onto a fire ant, lifting it off the ground. It's a display of raw, individual strength against a coordinated group assault. This is the insect arena, where every fighter plays a crucial role. But why do they fight with such ferocity? It's all about survival of the colony. For ants, the colony is a single superorganism. Each ant is a cell in that larger body, and they will sacrifice themselves without hesitation for the good of the whole. The resources they fight for, food, water, and nesting sites, are finite. Securing them means the queen can continue to lay eggs, the larvae can be fed, and the colony can grow. Losing a battle could mean starvation and the end of their entire civilization. Let's explore some of the different fighting styles these miniature gladiators employ. Not all ants fight the same way. Some species, like the army ants, are masters of overwhelming force. They march in columns millions strong, a living, moving carpet of death that consumes everything in its path. They don't build permanent nests. Their life is a continuous campaign of conquest. Any insect, or even small vertebrate, that fails to get out of their way is quickly subdued and torn apart. Then you have species that rely on specialized weaponry. Take the trapjaw ant. Its mandibles are the fastest moving predatory appendages in the animal kingdom. They can snap shut at speeds over 140 miles per hour, acting as a spring-loaded trap to instantly disable prey or enemies. In a fight, this speed is a game changer. They can also use this incredible power for defense, snapping their jaws against the ground to launch themselves into the air and escape danger. It's like having a built-in ejector seat. Other ants have turned to chemical warfare. The Malaysian exploding ant, for example, has a truly unique and suicidal defense mechanism. When threatened by a predator or a rival ant, it can contract its abdominal muscles so violently that its body ruptures, spraying a sticky, toxic goo in all directions. This selfless act kills the ant, but it can entangle and neutralize multiple enemies, saving its nestmates. It's the ultimate sacrifice for the colony. Now, let's look at one-on-one combat. Sometimes, battles aren't between armies but between individual champions. This can happen when scouts from different colonies cross paths, or when there are disputes within the same colony for dominance. Here we see two bulldog ants, among the largest and most primitive ants in the world. They are solitary hunters, equipped with huge eyes, powerful stings, and serrated mandibles. When these two titans meet, it's a true gladiatorial contest. They circle each other, sizing up their opponent, looking for an opening. Then, they lunge, jaws lock, and they wrestle, each trying to find a position to deliver a fatal sting. The venom of a bulldog ant is potent enough to cause extreme pain even in humans. For another ant, it's almost certainly lethal. This is a fight to the death, where only one will walk away. The victor not only survives but reinforces its territory, sending a clear message to any other challengers. These battles also reveal the complex social structures and hierarchies within ant colonies. You have the queen, the heart of the colony, the workers who forage, build, and care for the young, and the soldiers, often larger and equipped with specialized features for combat and defense. Look at this leafcutter ant colony. You can see the different castes clearly. The tiny minims tend to the fungus gardens, the larger workers cut and carry leaves, and then you have the majors, the super soldiers. These majors have massive heads and incredibly powerful mandibles. They don't typically participate in foraging. Their primary role is defense. If the colony is attacked, they are the frontline shock troops. Their jaws are so strong they can snip through the thick exoskeletons of other insects, and even draw blood from a human finger. They are the living walls of the ant city, a testament to how evolution has shaped these creatures for specific roles within their society. The intelligence and strategy involved in these fights are astounding. Ants don't just charge in blindly. Scouts will reconnoiter enemy territory, assess their strength, and return to recruit reinforcements. They can lay down pheromone trails to guide their army to the target. In battle, they can communicate and adapt their tactics. If one strategy isn't working, they can switch to another. They might feign a retreat to lure enemies into an ambush or focus their attack on a specific high-value target, like the enemy's queen. Witnessing these insect arena fights gives us a newfound respect for the miniature soldiers of the wild. It's a brutal, unfiltered look at the reality of nature. Survival isn't guaranteed. It's earned through strength, strategy, and sacrifice. Each battle we've seen today is a story of courage and endurance in a world where the stakes could be higher. From the coordinated swarms of fire ants to the explosive sacrifice of the Malaysian ant, these tiny gladiators have proven they are among nature's most fascinating and successful warriors. Their world is a constant cycle of life, death, and renewal, driven by the relentless need to ensure the survival of their colony. Their wars shape the very ecosystem they live in, influencing which plants grow and which other insect populations thrive or perish. They are not just mindless bugs. They are architects, soldiers, and strategists, ruling their underground empires with an iron mandible. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of ant gladiators. If you were amazed by these extreme insect encounters, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more modern tiger tales. Every week, we bring you closer to nature's fiercest fighters and the hidden stories of survival in our planet's most untamed corners. Let us know in the comments which ant warrior impressed you the most. See you next time.